To use a One4All gift card in store in Canada. Start by ensuring the card is activated and has a sufficient balance to cover your purchase. Check the card for any activation instructions. And if necessary, visit the One4All website or contact their customer service to activate it. Next, locate a participating retailer that accepts One4All gift cards. You can find a list of participating stores on the One4All website. Take your gift card to the store and let the cashier know you would like to use it as payment. When you are ready to pay, present the gift card to the cashier and let them know the amount you would like to apply to the card. The cashier will swipe the card and verify the balance. If the balance on the card is greater than the purchase amount, the cashier will apply the full amount and you will not receive any change. If the purchase amount exceeds the card balance, you can use a secondary payment method to cover the remaining balance. Let the cashier know the amount you would like to apply to the gift card and they will process the payment accordingly. After the transaction is complete, the cashier will provide you with a receipt showing the amount applied to the gift card and any remaining balance. It is a good idea to keep track of your gift card balance to avoid any issues when making future purchases. To check your gift card balance, you can visit the One4All website or contact their customer service. It is also a good idea to register your gift card on the One4All website to protect your balance in case the card is lost or stolen. By following these steps, you can easily use your One4All gift card in store in Canada. Remember to always keep track of your balance and use your card at participating retailers to get the most value from your gift card.